Okay, on this day, 10 years ago, ito yung hindi ko malilimutang trip kasi this is our first time. Actually, first time din naman sa South. Ngayon naman, first time to visit the boundary of South and North Korea, the DMZ. Ah, ina-expect ko na syempre medyo magulo. Ah, on the background merong sumasabog, may dagundong habang tinutur kami ng tour guide namin na may kasama pa kaming army escort para lang for the safety of our trip. And may pinirmahan pa kaming waiver doon na syempre. Nagbayad kayo ng mahal, tapos nagpirma ka ng waiver, tapos escorted ka pa ng army, South Korean army member. Tapos naririnig mo may mga dagundong. And hindi ko ina-expect na I was able to step foot sa North Korean ground nung pumasok na kami sa joint security area. So pagtawid, yun na yung North Korea. Pero syempre, hindi na kami tumagal doon kasi baka mamaya hindi na kami makalabas forever. Anyways, yun. On this day, 10 years ago, North Korean trip.